They're not benefiting the residents, they're not helping people, and they're not taking my residents out of abject poverty.
Moving on from mold, mice, and mushrooms, an apartment complex with a slew of safety and environmental issues, including rodents and mold, remains under the city's microscope.
And now News 5 has learned that citations have been issued against this low-income apartment complex. Our Jordan Vandenberg's been investigating the conditions at Park Place Apartments on the east side, and he shows us what he's found.
According to Councilman Kevin Conwell, the owners and managers of Park Place Apartments were cited by the city's health department for environmental violations. Those citations happened after last month's inspections. But as the city and the property managers get together and work on a checklist of things that need to be corrected, some residents say they still have a long way to go. At Park Place Apartments, there's one way in and one way out. But tenants say going in more often are the people that will keep the complex out of city scrutiny.
The Department of Health have hit them with some violations, some environmental violations. I wanted to see the violations, but they didn't show it to me. However, they sent a checklist to the management company telling them what they need to do.
They came in and did a lot of things, like painting my apartment, working on the carpet right now, and they patched everything up or everything, no, but they trying their best to keep it open or whatever, because if not, then we're gonna have to move and get out of here.
Some tenants like Michael Coleman say repairs have picked up ever since city inspectors converged on the complex in late June. However, other tenants were quick to show a lot of work remains halfway done, including soggy, stained carpeting that needs replaced, mold that needs remediating, and drywall that needs to be patched and painted.
The health department has to work with the management company, and if they don't hit their benchmarks by a certain period of time, then we'll move forward to take it over to the housing court judge, and then we'll take it to court, and then they have to do what they have to do.
My baby, I got a daughter, man. She can't be around stuff like that, so yeah, so they working on it. They trying to. If not, then I'm gonna have to move out. We're gonna have to find somewhere else to go.
The problems that plague Park Place aren't just limited to Park Place. Park Place's owners and managers also have other low-income apartment units called Boardwalk and Glenville Apartments. Tenants say they too have had issues with mold and mice, and Councilman Kevin Conwell says more inspections are coming.
Children deserve not to end up picking up roaches. Children deserve not to have to fight rats so that they can eat. How do you expect their children to go to school to learn when they're here and they have to deal with mice, rats, rodents, mushrooms growing up, bad smelly buildings? They can't go to learn. They can't go to study.
A representative from the companies that own and manage Park Place Apartments told me the company remains committed to working with the city. Reporting in Cleveland, Jordan Vandenberg, News 5.